If you are a supporter, you can connect additional users to your account. This allows multiple people to work together in the same environment. First, let's take a look at the permissions menu. Here you can create different permission types and assign them to users later. You can define which modules they can access and how they are allowed to work with the data. In the My Data section, you will find your reference number and your personal user QR code. This QR code is used to link your profile to other accounts. If you want to connect other users to your account, you will need their user codes. Registration is free for everyone. Multi-user collaboration is only possible between registered users. Supporter mode is only required for the account that connects other users. All account connections must be approved by each involved user. Once everything is approved, you can immediately start working together. In the header, you can always see which account is currently active. By clicking here, you can switch between connected accounts. You can also choose which account should be selected by default when you log in next time. The system was designed for international use. It is currently available in more than 30 languages, and you can switch between them with a single click. Time zone differences are also fully supported. Reliable international operation requires precise time tracking. We also record all events in UTC time zone. This makes it easy to see when an event occurred relative to your own local time zone. For example, there is a 9-hour difference between San Francisco and Paris, and this difference is always clearly indicated in the system. I hope you found this overview useful. Thank you for watching this video.